over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in NUGT. We're at oversold levels with the RSI. And as with the 4-hour chart, we remain in NUGT and at oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in slightly positive MACD and we're seeing signs of it diverge. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $22.15, and that is its range here. My sell target is at $23.70. My stop loss is at $21.74. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.41, and that is its range there. My sell target is at $22.57. My stop loss is at $24.86. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 38% chance to climb between 0 to 6%. To the downside, it has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to -6%, and a 13% chance to fall between -6 to -13%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.